Because we have lots of research that shows how we're hypersexualizing girls at incredibly early ages. As a parent, I was stunned that the parents were asleep at the switch, that they don't even see what's going on there. The sexualization is so pervasive, parents are falling into it as well. We now are pummeling kids 24/7 with these prompts to be sexual. Us as adults, we can't get enough of the sex stuff in this culture, and it just is falling out on our kids.
One of the parents said that this was taken out of context, that there was just a small clip, this was actually a dance competition.
The sad part is that the parents would think that it was a contextual issue, that it's okay for 8-year-old girls to be taught to move like this. That's the sad and scary part of this issue.